guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris Palmer. In today's video, I would like to discuss a very important KPI that needs to be tracked. Let's say that you have a brand new client, or perhaps you have just your own website. One of the most important KPIs that needs to be tracked is your organic traffic. So I'm going to go ahead and show you right now on one of my accounts how to go ahead and track your organic traffic inside of Google Analytics. So what you will want to do is go to your Google Analytics account. Let's say you're on your home. I'll start from the very beginning. You're on the home screen of Google Analytics. What you will want to do is then go ahead and click the button that says Audience. Okay, so you will click the button that says Audience inside of Google Analytics. Once you hit the button that says Audience inside Google Analytics, you will then click the button that says Overview. Under Overview, you will see quite a few options, but to track your organic traffic, you will go to the button right here that says Add Segment. Go ahead and click Add Segment. What you will then want to do is go ahead and scroll down until you see organic traffic. And then hit Apply. Now, what's really great about this is if you have a client, you can then go ahead and see the organic traffic. And then over here to the right, you could do hourly, you could do daily, weekly, monthly. You can even go ahead and set up a custom date range. So you could do before you started the SEO campaign and then after the SEO campaign. So really, that's going to wrap up today's video. I just wanted to go ahead and show you how to track your organic traffic. That's going to wrap it up. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great one.